Hello, this is Leanne at the Tailored Hide Leather and the Gift Gallery. We're located at 447 South Commercial Street, right across from the Dairy Queen in downtown Neenah. We were asked to do a short video, let you people know what it is we do for what you need to know. So here's Ebony. She's going to give me a hand. We're just going to kind of show you through some of the closets, things that we do, things that we can do, see what we can help you out with. We do a lot of custom vests. We have a lot of different leathers you can choose from. Choose your leathers, your linings, what kind of detail you want on it. Here we made some chaps smaller, did some work on the vests. Patches, springtime, summertime, we sew on a lot of patches. We can make custom patches as well. This jacket needed a little bit of tender loving care. Favorite jacket. Came in looking much worse than it does now. Right there we've got a few jackets that we custom ordered in. We have sizes triple extra small to 5X. This one, beautiful shearling coat. The only thing wrong with it, needed a zipper. We were able to replace one of those for them. A couple more just pickups waiting to be picked up. We can order again. Another one, this one, the gentleman came in, tall guy. Jacket fit perfect, just needed a few inches added to sleeves. We were able to accomplish that. This one, bomber jacket. We reconditioned it. We sewed some seams, replaced the cuffs and the waistband. Trench coats, he just needed longer leg straps, a couple seams sewed, able to take care of that. Red leather and fox fur trench coat. Again, sewed a couple seams, cleaned it up, all ready to go for when winter comes. Moving on, we have all kinds of raw leather. Deerskin, elk, cowhide, suedes, vinyls, tons and tons and tons to choose from. Shelves and shelves and shelves of it. Also hanging racks just full of it. Ebony's just going to kind of page through a little bit just to kind of give you an idea of the variety of things we can get. Again, deer hide, distressed, upholstery leather, cow hides, beautiful leathers. We only use top quality and a lot of different prints, colors. We can custom make just about anything. We don't make shoes, we don't make gloves, although we do repair them. Other than that, we've custom made just about anything you can think of. Jackets, belts, handbags. A lot of the designer purses now have handbag straps that are vinyl, so they seem to wear out. So we have a lot of different colors to choose from. You could come in, we can pick a corresponding or contrasting color, get you a leather strap on that favorite handbag that's going to last you a whole lot longer. Come on in. We have a really talented staff here. We could go through, pick out leathers. We've got books and books and books, so this is definitely not limited to what you're seeing, but we can make you just about anything. So come on in and talk to us. We're happy to help. Let's move on. I'll show you some more things. If you have an item that needs a zipper replaced or repaired, we can do that. We have got hundreds of zippers here. Every size, every style, every color you can imagine. If you've got some specialty one that really, truly we don't have, which is kind of rare, we're happy to order it for you. A lot of times zippers can be repaired as opposed to replaced. So we can save you some money. We always try to repair it first. If it needs to be replaced, we can help with that. But we try to do the best thing for you and make sure you tell your friends and come on back. Just also want to let you know that we have a full service shoe repair. We have a talented man here, does all the shoe repair. He does heels, soles, zippers, shines, stretches, some orthopedic work. We've got a lot of supplies, so we try to get them out as quickly as possible to you. We can do stretching. We can make the calves on boots shorter, smaller, bigger. If you've got wider calves, we can help with that. So we've got some ancient equipment here that still really does the trick. Sewing machines everywhere, all kinds of them. Grinders for the shoe repair, more machines for the heavy duty work. Let me run back upstairs and show you around there a bit. Okay, I just want to remind you too that we have all kinds of stuff. We do repairs, we do alterations, we do custom goods, but we also have a lot of retail. Not just leather, but a lot of leather. Not just for motorcyclists, but casual. A lot of different colors, some beautiful jackets, some with fur, some without. Like I said, men's, women's, not just black motorcycle, although we do have a lot of that. If we're talking about that, we have motorcycle jackets, chaps, apparel, handbags, helmets, hoodies, boots, anything you need for biking. I'm just going to kind of walk you through the store and then we'll be done here quick. But a lot of leathers to choose from. Like I said, not just the motorcycle, but a little bit of everything. I'm just going to run you up to the front couple rooms. In case you haven't been here, you will see that we also carry a lot of handbags. Different colors, different prints, different textures, hilarious magnets, a lot of artwork. Different artwork you're not going to see every day. Store just goes back and back and back. A lot of different things to look at. Gloves, hats, jackets, tops, leggings, cardigans. Again, a lot of belts. We have a lot of belts, very long belts. You come in, we fit them right to you. Takes just a few minutes. An ever-changing apparel selection. So a lot of things to choose from that way. And if you're ever just wandering around, need a gift for somebody, know that we have free gift wrapping all year. New gifts coming in all the time. Pretty unique assortment that you're just not going to see every day. Beautiful jewelry, glass art, paperweights. So we're happy to help. If there's anything you need, come on in. Our talented and helpful staff will be happy to help you. Thanks. Have a great day.